Many users are confused about how to download the ChatGPT Desktop app. If you're also confused about how to go about downloading the ChatGPT Desktop app on your Mac, just follow along. Let me show you using the screen. First of all, you need to go to chatgpt.com or log in as usual. You may get one display or one message over here at this place just above the message box to download the ChatGPT Desktop app on Mac. If you don't get this message, what you can do is you go ahead and go to your profile picture, and here you will find the download link. Click on the download link and you can download it to your desktop and save it. I have already downloaded, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and install this app usually the way you do on your Mac. Because I have already installed that app, it is showing that it already exists in the location. I will stop here, but in your case you continue with the installation. I have the ChatGPT application installed right now. What I can do is I can go to command spacebar, go ahead and open ChatGPT. First time you open up ChatGPT, you will have to log in using your login credentials, be it Google authentication or your email authentication. I have already logged into my account. So very simple app. You have a simple interface, very minimalist. You have this message box. You have a attachment icon where you can upload files, upload photo, take a screenshot of your desktop area and take a photo using your camera. Here you can select the models between different models: ChatGPT 4o, Omni 4 and GPT 3.5. If you're a plus user, you can also use ChatGPT 4, and if you're a free user, you can choose between GPT 4 Omni 4o, this one, the latest one, and GPT 3.5, the older version. This pen lets you see different chat history, that is your chat history. And if you click here, you can also access custom GPTs. There are different custom GPTs which can be used for free, and there are custom GPTs which you can create if you have a plus account. You have a very easy to use custom shortcut inbuilt. When you type option spacebar, you have the message box. Let me close it out and type option and spacebar. You have this message ChatGPT option now, where you can easily type your commands and do the talking to your ChatGPT. If you select ChatGPT 4, you have this attachment option. Also, when you open ChatGPT by using option and spacebar, there also you get this uploading attachment option. When you select 4o, 4 or 4 Omni, if you select 3.5, you don't get this option of uploading any data or uploading any files to get ChatGPT to work on that. ChatGPT voice commands, I already have it installed. First time if you do it, what you will have, you have to select your voice model. You have 3 or 4 voice models that you need to select first time when you set up your voice assistant. So this voice assistant from GPT 4o version, GPT 4 Omni onwards, has been very good in terms of the tone. It is funny, it is, it learns your emotions, and it is more human-like in the sound. Okay, so you can have fun using this ChatGPT desktop app. You don't have to go to the browser, and it's very easy to use, and you can easily call on the ChatGPT message window simply by typing option spacebar. And also if you go there on the dock, you have the settings and other things that you can choose, and you can also change the launcher shortcut. If you are not happy with option say spacebar, you can change it to any other keyboard shortcut that you like. If you're new to ChatGPT, you can explore various powers or various chat options in ChatGPT and enjoy the ChatGPT models. The new model, which is ChatGPT 4 Omni, which you can use it for free. Thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.